So now let's actually look at some of the questions on my qualification checklist. But I'd like you to reflect for a minute. Think of that same prospect you used in the recent example I asked you to think about. Now answer all of these questions on this checklist. A yes on the majority of bullets, points, and equals a qualified lead. So need, are you aware of their needs? Does the prospect acknowledge that a problem exists and action must be taken by purchasing your solution? Have you articulated enough value from the client's perspective? Is there a high need or priority? If the need to buy is quantified, the prospect is committed. Can you provide a unique solution for their need or area of pain? What about the decision making? Are you speaking to the UDM, the ultimate decision maker? Is it one individual? Is it a series of individuals? Or is it a decision made by committee? Are you speaking with the problem owner? Have you identified the actual influencers and approvers? Have you asked for an organizational chart? Have you gone online, Googled the prospect or the ultimate decision maker? Have you gone to their website? If it's a publicly traded company, have you listened to the most recent analyst's call? Have they met their number, their earnings per share, etc.? Do you know of anyone else who's involved in the decision-making process in any way, shape, or form? Did the competition write the RFP, if this is a formal RFP process? Or actually, is there a formal buying process in place? So the actual solution, is there a solution you can supply and support? Is it within your company's current product or services mix? Or are you doing a one-off that's really not going to create the unique solution that the client needs and creating a lot of stress within your own organization and for yourself? Is your solution original or unique, better or different than the competition? Some additional things on the qualification checklist. Funding. Is their budget allocated already? Is there money? How much is it? Is funding committed and approved? Is it reasonable? Can you provide a solution for that amount? Competition. Do you know who you are competing against? Timing. Are you aware of their timetable to take action? Is the timing reasonable? Does it fall within your own sales cycle criteria? And size. Is the potential order value worth your effort? Is your company large enough to handle it? As we look and review the qualification checklist, did you answer yes to most of these questions? If so, you're spending your time wisely and your prospect is qualified. If you answered no to more than 2 or 3 of these questions, or if you didn't know the answer to a question, then you need to get more information to determine if your prospect is qualified. It makes more sense to look for good leads from the start. Successful sales professionals have found their best leads for qualified prospects originate from their social media world, Facebook, but specifically LinkedIn, web crawlers, your face-to-face network, referrals, both personal and professional, customer referrals, industry associations, chambers of commerce, businesses after hours events, news articles, trade publication, and actual press releases. So if you review this video, actually print out the qualification checklist. It'll enhance your chances of talking to more qualified prospects that will increase your chances for sales success and will impact your company and your earning potential. Thank you for your time. Please go to my website, www.salescoach.us, or call me for a free, no obligation sales assessment at 847-359-6969. Thanks for your time, and here's to your sales success.